Hi friends, we are back with chapter 6.2, looking at fractions, decimals, and percents. This is part 1. In this part, we're going to look at changing fractions into percents. And we have with us my 6th grader, Libby. Say hi, Libby.
Hi, Libby.
She's hilarious. Okay, in our first part of chapter, Libby, we were looking at numbers with nice friendly denominators like 3/20ths. Do you know what percent means, Libby?
Out of 100.
Out of 100. Can we turn 20 into 100 by multiplying?
Yep.
By what? What do we multiply 20 by to make 100?
5.
Okay, so we can multiply this by 5/5. Libby, speak up. 3 times 5.
15.
20 times 5.
100.
So instead of saying 15 out of 100, we can say...
15%.
Okay, so whenever we have any of the nice friendly denominators like 2, 4, 5, 10, 20, 25, or 50, it's really easy to make percents. But life doesn't always work out that these numbers are in the denominator, right, Libby?
Yep.
Remember what my grandma always used to say?
Nope.
She used to say, those numbers aren't always in the denominator. Remember that?
Yep.
Okay. So... let's look at an example. So, Libby, you were playing basketball yesterday, right?
Sure.
And you made 4 out of your 9 3-pointers.
Yep.
Okay, so what's our denominator?
9.
Do you know how to turn 9 into 100? Neither do I. Excellent. So, in general, when we are going from a fraction to a percent, we can multiply by 100. That will always change a fraction into a percent. So let's do it.
Okay.
So we're going to multiply this by 100 over 1. Now, Libby's a really big fan of cross-simplifying, right, Libby?
Nope.
Okay, exactly, she is. Can we do any cross-simplifying with 109? Do they share any common factors?
No.
No, because 100, if you can't... well, you can divide it by 2 and 5. Those are the 2 prime factors of 100. Can we divide 9 by 2?
No.
How about 9 by 5?
Nope.
So we're just going to multiply straight across. 4 times 100.
400.
9 times 1.
9.
9. Now, if we wanted to type into our calculator 400 divided by 9, we could, but we're going to do a little long division. So we're going to do 400 divided by 9. Okay, Libby, 9 into 40. How many times without going over?
4.
4, you're right. 4 times 9.
36.
Subtract 40 minus 36.
4.
Bring down the 0.
0.
9 into 40, how many times?
4.
4 times 9.
36.
Subtract?
4.
4. Okay, and we can stop there. So we can say our answer is 44 and 4/9 percent. Now, you might be saying, but it has a fraction in it. We were trying to go from a fraction to a percent. Yes, it does, but now this whole mixed number is out of 100. So 44 and 4/9 out of 100 is the same as 4/9. They are equivalent. Okay, let's look at one more example.
Nope.
What do we do?
U times the fraction by 100.
Times the fraction by 100. 2 and 7/15. We're going to change that to a percent. What's the rule, Libby, of how we can change anything into a percent? Do you remember how we can enter a percent land? Okay, so 2 wholes, that's 200%.
Yep.
So I'm just going to kind of place that off to the side and just look at 7/15. Now, 15 is not one of our friendly denominators, so we can just multiply this by 100. Okay, Libby, who loves cross-simplifying, she sees that 100 and the 15 and knows we can divide them both by...
5.
15 divided by 5.
3.
100 divided by 5.
20.
Multiply across.
140.
Over.
3.
Okay, and now this is a percent, but we're not going to leave it as that.
Nope.
So we're going to do 140 divided by 3. Okay, Libby, 3 into 14.
4.
4 times 3,
12.
subtract.
2.
Bring down a 0. 3 into 20.
6.
6 times 3.
18.
Oh, we're running out of room here. 20 minus 18.
2.
So it is 46 and
2/3%.
2/3%. So 46 and 2/3%. Now, if we put it back together with that 200% because of the two holes, what do we have, Libby?
246 and 2/3%.
There you go. And that is the end of this part of the video. Thank you for watching. Say bye, Libby.
Bye, Libby.